Hi everyone, I'm back. Anyways, in this video I will show you how to customize my JoJo stand kit. This kit includes button to equip, 2 button moves and a click move. You can also customize all the buttons, animations and damage for each move. The first thing you need to do is open this kit, which is in the description. To open it, just press the 3 dots in the top corner and press edit. Once it has opened, press Alt plus P at the same time and it should show this screen. Just press create. Once you have done that, open replicated storage, then the stands folder, and you will see a stand called default stand. You can duplicate it with Ctrl plus D. Then place it in workspace. Once you have it in workspace, you can start to model it, add as many parts as you want and change any colors as you want. Just one thing you need to know is how to attach the parts to one another. I'll put a link in the description of a video that shows you how to. Anyways, what you have to do after that is make sure you set the value of stand name to the name of your stand. Once you have your stand finished, duplicate it with Ctrl plus D and place it in the stands folder located in replicated storage. The reason we duplicate it is because we need one for making animations and the other is the one the player uses. The one in workspace is the one for animating, and we have to make sure to delete the joint in its humanoid root part. After that we can use it for animating. For the other one we have to select all the parts and set the can collide to false, and we have to set massless to true. Now for the final part, you just have to open server script service, then you will see a script called attack script. Open that and copy the lines of code from line 2 to 24 and change the green text at the top of it to the name of your stand. Now your stand is in the game, you just have to change one line of code to add it to your inventory in the game. Open the script in server script service named player manager and go to line 26, change the green text to the name of your stand and you can run the game to see your stand. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this style of video by liking this video and subscribing, but the main thing I want you to do is send feedback in the comments. Let me know what kit you would like to see next, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.